Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 9th July 2024. Sales of commercial vehicles increased last quarter, driven by strong replacement demand and continued government infrastructure spending. More than 234,000 trucks and buses were sold in the local market in the 3 months ended June, exceeding expectations. This marks a 4.5% rise compared to the 224,000 vehicles sold in the same period last year. RBI met CFOs and auditors to enforce zero tolerance for compliance lapses. Deputy governors stressed accurate balance sheets, aggressive lending risks, and evergreening of loans. Recent CEO talks included credit deposit growth gaps. Governor Das emphasized risk awareness. Digital banking restrictions on Kotak Bank, IIFL Finance, and others were due to regulatory lapses. Arms of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs or MCA have intensified enforcement actions in recent quarters to ensure stricter adherence to rules, even as the government has lessened the compliance burden on India Inc. In the June quarter, various registrars of companies issued a total of 321 orders against firms for alleged lapses under the Companies Act. This figure represents about a fourth higher than the previous quarter, which also saw increased action according to an analysis of public orders. Reliance Retail plans a sports format to rival Decathlon, targeting 8,000 to 10,000 square feet spaces with play areas post-COVID. Athleisure demand surged, filling a retailer gap in India. Leading sports brands saw 35 to 60% sales growth since financial year 21. Decathlon's financial year 23 revenue hit rupees 4,000 crore. The Quality Review Board of ICAI has issued guidance on non-compliance Volume 2, in which instances of various non-compliances regarding standards on quality control, standards on auditing, audit reports, internal financial controls, and CARO 2020 are covered. The guidance note is classified into two parts. Part 1 contains the observations related to engagement and quality control standards. Part 2 contains the observations related to CARO and internal financial controls. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.